I chose to become a lawyer because it was just something I always knew that I wanted to do and that I'd be good at. When I was about 10 years old, I was shopping for a Christmas present. My dad picked something out, paid for it, and sent me to the line to get it wrapped. And there were a ton of people in there. The room was packed. And probably 15 minutes later, he came in and said, "Are you not done yet?" And I said, "No, that man right there jumped in front of me." And he looked at me and said, "If you let people run over you now, they'll run over you for the rest of your life." And those words have stuck with me. And you don't run over me, and I don't let people run over you. I care about my clients. I care about their outcome. And I'm just dedicated to what I do. I enjoy what I do. So it makes me a better lawyer because I love going to work every day. I mean, I had one this week that put me in tears. He was looking at so much time, and we didn't know what he was going to get when he walked in the door. But he was 22 years old, and he was doped out of his mind whenever he committed these crimes. And I took this kid who was looking at over 85 years, and I got him a Youthful Offender Act sentence and 5 years probation and inpatient rehab for a year. So this kid, after 5 years of probation and then another 5 years after that of not being in trouble, will be able to have his record wiped clean. I've given him the ability to change his life. Whenever you are looking at hiring an attorney, I tell everybody that walks in my office, I know you're going to meet with other attorneys. Go with your gut. When you call my office, you get me. You don't normally get the paralegal, you get me. My cell phone number is readily available on my business cards and on my voicemail. So if you have an issue with your representation or if you need to talk to me, then I'm the one you get. I'm going to answer your call. When you're talking about personal injury, a lot of people don't think that they need an attorney. A lot of people think that they're a burden on the system for filing a claim or a lawsuit, but that's what you pay insurance for. And if you hurt for 1 minute after that accident and it's not your fault, then you should be compensated for that. I am a fighter. Yeah, I mean, I am a fighter, but I get the added benefit of loving what I do. I have a college-age student, and I'm responsible for her being able to stay in college. I have a 17-year-old who's going to be in college next year, so I'm responsible for him as well. I enjoy what I do. I enjoy speaking to people, and this is the greatest profession for that because I meet people from all walks of life. So whenever I sit down in the morning with someone who has a problem, we get to know each other before we start talking about the problem. The best part about my practice is that we are small, and so you do get individualized attention. I've chosen not to build it up to one of those big mill firms because I like being the one that gets to talk to the client and hear their story. And I want to know why you need help, and I want to know why I'm the one who gets to help you or why I'm the one who needs to help you.